best 3D printers for kids are designed to be safe, easy to use, and beginner-friendly, making them perfect for introducing young learners to 3D printing. These printers usually feature simple controls, enclosed designs for safety, and reliable performance for small creative projects like toys, models, and school assignments. They help kids build creativity, problem-solving skills, and hands-on STEM experience in a fun and engaging way. Starting at number 1. FlashForge Finder 3D Printers with Cloud. The FlashForge Finder 3D printer is a beginner-friendly machine designed for home, school, and educational use, offering simple and safe 3D printing with PLA filament. It supports multiple connectivity options including Wi-Fi for wireless printing through Flash Cloud, USB cable connection to a computer, and USB flash drive support for offline printing, making it very flexible and easy to use. It features a compact build volume of 140 by 140 by 140 mm, a user-friendly touchscreen interface, and a fully enclosed design for added safety, especially for kids and beginners. While it is excellent for learning in small creative projects, its limited build size, single material support, and lack of a heated bed make it less suitable for advanced or professional-grade printing tasks. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 Series Printer. The Creality Ender 3 Series 3D printer is a popular beginner to intermediate FDM printer designed for reliable and upgraded performance, especially for hobbyists and makers. It features a 220 by 220 by 270 mm build volume, giving enough space for most small to medium prints. This version includes a direct drive extruder for smoother filament feeding, CR Touch automatic bed leveling for easier setup and better first layer accuracy, a dual Z-axis system for improved stability and reduced wobbling, and a silent motherboard for quieter operation. It supports materials like PLA, TPU, and PETG, and is known for producing more consistent prints compared to older Ender 3 models. Overall, it is a solid upgrade-focused printer that balances ease of use, print quality, and affordability for beginners and hobby users. Number 3. LGT Longer Cube 2 Entry-Level Mini 3D Printer. The LGT Longer Cube 2 Entry-Level Mini 3D Printer is a compact and beginner-friendly FDM 3D printer designed mainly for kids, students, and first-time users. It comes with a small 120 by 140 by 105 mm build volume, making it suitable for simple and small models. The printer features a 2.8-inch touchscreen for easy one-button operation, resume printing after power loss, and a filament detection system to prevent failed prints. It also includes a removable magnetic build plate for easy model removal, a quiet printing system, 30 dB, and a fully enclosed safe design with hidden wiring, making it ideal for educational environments. Overall, it is a safe, simple, and low-maintenance 3D printer focused on learning and basic creative printing, though its small size limits it from larger or advanced projects. Number 4. ELEGOO Mars 2 Mono MSLA 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Mars 2 Mono MSLA 3D printer is a high-precision resin 3D printer designed for users who want detailed and professional quality prints in a compact machine. It features a 6.08-inch 2K monochrome LCD screen, which allows much faster layer curing, around 2 seconds per layer, and longer screen lifespan compared to older color LCD models. The printer has a build volume of 129 by 80 by 150 mm. Making it ideal for small, highly detailed models such as miniatures, jewelry, and prototypes. Built with a sturdy CNC machined aluminum body, it ensures stability and consistent print quality, while the UV photo curing system delivers extremely fine detail and smooth surface finishes. Overall, the Mars 2 is best suited for users who need high detail printing rather than large-scale objects, offering excellent accuracy, speed, and reliability for resin printing beginners and enthusiasts. Number 5. AOSEED 3D Printer for Kids. The AOSEED X-Maker Joy AI Plus 3D printer is a kid-focused, AI-powered entry-level FDM 3D printer designed to make creating models simple, safe, and highly interactive. It comes fully assembled and supports very fast printing speeds, up to 400 mm per second, with auto bed leveling, making it easy for beginners to start printing without manual setup. The printer includes AI design tools that allow users to create models using text, voice, or image prompts, along with features like AI-generated avatars and a large library of 1,500+ ready-made models. It uses PLA filament and typically comes bundled with multiple rolls for immediate use. Safety is a major focus, with a fully enclosed design, one-tap printing through a mobile app, filament runout detection, and real-time monitoring via a built-in camera. It is aimed mainly at kids and beginners for home or school learning, offering a fun, educational experience, but it is less suited for advanced or professional 3D printing projects due to its simplified ecosystem and limited customization.